Hi, I'm Mike Mancini with PPCVideoTraining.com. PPC Video Training is about how to manage your Google Adwords account simplified. It could be anything from taking a brand new Google Adwords account and learning how to understand what you should be keeping an eye on, the initial changes that you could be making, and how to set it up for long-term success. Or it can be a little bit more advanced where we really dig into the account and show you where you're wasting money and how to overcome those problems. We discuss everything from pay-per-click setup to PPC management. We do PPC training as well as consulting. Our number one goal here is to teach you how to get more out of your Google AdWords account while spending less time doing it. In fact, most of our videos are under 5 minutes, and the changes you can make will take you about the same amount of time. So please take a look at our videos and even subscribe to us so we can show you how to keep on top of your Google AdWords account. Thanks so much for stopping by. We hope to see you inside.